Welcome back to a lecture series on digital image processing practicals. So in this lecture we are now going to discuss about the image enhancement and spatial filtering too. And we will see image enhancement how to do, and this is the NV window. Here you see that this linear, here there are many drop down options, and in this now we are going to play that once the data is open, it is multispectral data of a region which carries near infrared, red and green portions. And now I am just showing you that you just zoom it and then check. This is water body and vegetations are represented as a red tone in the satellite image. And this is the options like linear 1, 2, 5. If you put no stretch, the image becomes so dull. If I put linear 2%, you see many future information is enhanced. If I am taking equalization, so this is already set mathematical functions which operates on the raster data, and I can take as and this depends again on the satellite data interpreter or the image analyst, how he wants to interpret the data. So this is equalization mode. So this is the various options that I can use it. This is how images are enhanced. The basic theoretical part on the image enhancement on various things like equalization, Gaussian stretch, those things linear 2%, 1%, those things it is there in the theory part. So you take it and then you take any options here like square root, you take again, you see your data is become so dull. Linear 2%, linearly it means in the entire image, it has increased with 2%, rise to the level of spectral reflectance, so that even the trees are you can find the trees over here. All the trees are very well tree showing. This is large scale data, large scale MSS data, foreign data, and this is being given for the purpose of understanding for the practicals, freely embedded in the system. So linear 2% at the full view, you see, zoom it, zoom down, and then you can see, you take custom stretch. So this is another very interesting. If I am very familiar with the digital data, that this is the wavelength will be water body, this is the wavelength will be of what is that vegetation. Now I can control from black point to white point. So the right side is black point. If I am just dragging the black point, this is linear mode of operation. You can drag on both sides. I am just dragging from the white point, I mean from the right side. So what happens in the image, you can see at the bottom how the images are changing. What happens, the other pixel values are suppressed, and I can also do if I know the number white point value, then I can apply, then it becomes total red, you see. So this will come again by practice of every time if you use the satellite data, and whatever we expect from the satellite data, by operating this enhancement we will be able to extract from the satellite data. So again, by experience, if I am thorough with the digital data, and by experience, by collecting the digital information, spectral reflectance over the ground, and apply your knowledge both here, and then we will be able to assess here. You see, I am just, based on my experience, I am just taking out the water body, black object. It means higher absorption, and this very clearly shows that the water body is being highlighted. And I can also similarly I can also take even the vegetation too. Like if I am changing little bit in the pixels, automatically this will go. But normally how we use within linear 2% for the image enhancement studies, normally by using the MSS data. With this, the lecture on image enhancement is come to an end. Thank you very much.